Okay, I'm live. Can you just drop an emoji and stay connected? Oi, hi. Okay, I've seen Mr. Jack. All right, my fellow entrepreneurs. How they call us? They call entrepreneurs. Just stay hooked, in case I will not be locked out. Quickly, and what are doing? Let's quickly round up. We have like we have okay 10 minutes more, plus minus. Okay, what is in big hand now? Okay, that's good. Next person. So who else? Mr. Osiam. Hey, God help me today. Mr. Samu Kebe. Am I correct? Samu Debe, right? Yes, English. Yeah. Are you connected? Then any challenge? Okay, all right. So let me share my screen so that we ball hard right now. I face that mass design. So you can and if I home now tell so listen to me to rest too. People are really trying so much already well, my guys, my fellow young tech service here. Okay, let's go again. So now I have to reformat my code because it's so long and lengthy. So I make sure that I can make push put the comments by the right hand side. So I have small space and much more okay. Do that it's not longer than before, not much. That's like the two line of code. AI very good. I use AI like ChatGPT and I use to close my code challenges and well. Okay, so we have done with your work. Before now, we are doing using a Express Tracker Pro project using purely Python, pure backend. See our IDE are using VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and Git bash terminal to do the stuff. And we started by we created a folder, called the folder Expense Tracker Pro all together in one word. Then in it, we created a file that will store our results, called this file, or will show our budgets. Then we created three more files. First file, we call it command.txt, where we store commands which we use, like we to view our Python version, we'll plug the shift that is there, and to run our code, we use Python expense underscore tracker.py. While we created an expense.py for us to initialize, to define our class called expense, we gave it a name, parameters, name, categories, amounts. Then we gave each of the name and attributes. So name for name, category for category, for amounts. And we now define a rep method, which give us all right. Woo. So let's now run. Oh, share my screen to you guys. Let's now do the testing. So now we've done an overview We built the code. Let's now see if it's working. Is the whole aim of the project to see if it's running. Now, how to run it? We run it by putting clear it, clear, enter. Now it's cleared. I think it's back now. I think it should be back now. It's back now, yes. Okay. Can you see my screen? Okay, you can see my screen now. Yes. Let me share it. Okay. So I just saw Jack request. Can I see line 64 of your code? Yes. So that's the function to save user expense to a file. Now when I ran my Python expense tracker.py, give me the first API. It showed running expense tracker, then getting user expense, enter expense name. We call our expense name what? Oh, sorry. We call the expense name um great man, or September, we call it spiritual, a better name. Then amounts. Let's say we use 5K, 5,000 Nigerian naira category. We spent it on our daily transportation to office to and fro. You book, you take a bus or a Uber or for a normal taxi cab. So three is for work. Let's click on work and enter. Good. Now showed us. It said saving user expense spiritual work amount. Should have saved to a file. Summarizing user expense category. Oh, is done. Then budget per day, $250. I showed that this is a half 5K. This is the half 5K I spent because my total budget was 7K. So work is $10,000. Total spent 10K. Yet remaining minus 3K. Get per day 250. Let's use a lower amount and see very clearly. So let's see our budgets. Our budgets per is 7K. Let's say it's 700 naira, $700. And so again, enter expense name. Let's just say transportation amounts is penalty fare. Let's say you have here is 500. Enter for what? For work 3. Now it says summarizing user expense. At work 10,500 naira. Budget remaining 9,800. budget per day minus. I mean minus already. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, so that much money I have right now. Let me see my F. Let me type 10,000 naira. See. So let's see. If I do again and see, I run again. First time I use home home feeding amount what I used. Probably my budget I want to spend my budget for the month or for the week. Let's say is $1,000. It's too much. But let's say example amount to spend amount to spend is I spent $500 enter on food. So see, I had so work is 10.5, food 500. Okay, everything is done very well. Okay, it saved the previous one. I'll show you here. Let's do that one again. Let's say expense name. Um, let's just say we went for cinema movies. So cinema. What I spent $900 for a ticket for it to be fun and have fun. See, showed work. I spent 10.5 on work. I spent 500 for food. Spent 900 for fun. Total spent is level 900. Just remember the minus. Okay. Oh well. I mean, it stores our record what it does. Let's clear this. Let's clear this and clear the memory itself to use to us using here. Let's delete this. Let's we're gonna see it again. Let's cancel. Let's close. Let's try again and see. Express name. Let's call it. Oh, yeah, it's a church. Amount offering the multiplication, TFA and public donation and so on. We will use let's say we use $600. Five miscellaneous is still stored there. Good, good, good. Okay, I think we have come to the end of this class. So we're able to see how it records what we do. Let's try one more. One more. Let's see. So let's do Python expense that's called tracker.py. Enter expense name. I'll just say, let me see here, data subscription, amounts. I use 1.5 for the charge per day. So is it food, home, for work? I'm working. So it gives us everything is still stored there. That's wonderful. Everything is stored there. So now how do we now clear it and start again? Now fresh. Please clear that to start again and fresh. Any error? Okay. So you see how it's easy to build Python. Remember, it's practice. So you practice, you get better and better and better. Let's see our CSV file, expense file. Okay, yeah. Once we can see it all within yourself, let's clear the CSV file and start again. Clear it. It's now empty. I will do it again and see. Oh, it's brand new. Expense enter name. I'll call it clothing. I want to get clothes. Probably my budget for a month personally. Let me just be sincere to myself. Let me say I spent 25K on clothing. Then let's see how it will be like. So I said so clothes amounts. Every week I spend um say 5,000 naira to get maybe, yeah, trousers, shirts, and so on. Should be under category food, home, work, fun. I should under see home. It's not fun because I need to work. Just say work, home. Miscellaneous. No, it's important to me. So I use home. So two is home. It should be an error sign. Let's see what's showing me here. See what's showing me here. So where's the error now? Let's do it again and see. Let's install our CSV reader in our stuff and we are good to go. That's taking longer than enough. But let's see again and see. Let's delete this one and put in a new one and see again. Clothes, 5,000 naira. Oh, okay. But that was why I put good. Good, good, good. So now budget is to 25, 20K. I use 5K, remaining 16,667. Wonderful. So with this, can track your budget and see that very, very well. So guys, that's taking much time. Thank you for your patience. I would say through. We will start our rational standard website by tomorrow. Tomorrow being Friday, we won't use the we'll use our normal exclusive group chat to do that. That one will be a concrete and it will be a compendium of different stacks we use, beginning from Python Django to our backend. We use Postgres SQL for database to host them in Docker container. Then for the front end, we would use HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap 4. I feel like 4 is even better than 5. 4 is for me, I love 4. 5 perhaps cost point its head, but it's still pretty good. So we use the Bootstrap 4 and Vanilla JS to make it together. So tomorrow will be a nice one. Probably tomorrow, Friday, then Saturday, no, Friday, Monday, go on. So just keep pushing, keep working, keep building, okay, step by step. And more you code, more you get used to it, more you love it, must love what you do, and that's how you get better. Right, guys, it's already 4 o'clock. I've called it a day here, and you want to finish yours, and don't stop until you get it. All right. Okay.